Happy and sad. Why? Happy because I'm here again in Quezon Avenue, McDonald's. Let's just say, nakita ko yung mga managers before, crew before, so happy to be back. And at the same time, sad kasi today will be the day that this pylon, which is open for 40 years, will finally take a rest. Pylon, trademark yan. Kapag binuksan yan, ako, lahat ng commercial makikita nyo, nagbubukas ang pylon. It's the first time na meron tayong makikita ang magsasara.
Itong po next years, lahat, ikaw walang magulahan na magiging RTM process bago promote ko lang. 1 year RTM. Then, dito ko nilagay sa
reason why I am happy kasi 1997 to 2000 ako. At itong mga to 1986 85 86. These are the people behind the counter who served a lot of people in Quezon Avenue.
February 1986 during the EDSA Revolution. Siguro sa likod lang si so there are about hundreds, maybe over 1,000 people here, all wanting to serve, all wanting to be served. So lahat kami, we were serving and napapagod kami pero masaya.
Dito din ako nagkaroon ng asawa. Dito po ako talaga natuto ng maging malakas.
Every closing shift talaga is not, unforgettable.
Sa dinami-dami ng sulong namin mula December, at the end of the day, ang sabi mo lang is, love ko to.
Attention everyone! Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin hanggang sa huling oras ng McDonald's Quezon Avenue. In a few minutes, samahan niyo po kami masaksihan yung tuluyan na pagsara ng pylon ng 008.
Okay, this is it. And now we are all requested to go out because we are all going to witness the closing of the pylon. Finally, 008 will close.
lahat at maraming salamat po.
Sa Quezon Up 008, kita-kita ulit tayo sa Ligaya.